Recently, I attended a conference with my boss and I saw my boss doing these 7 Outlook tricks which I really don't know. Initially, I'm aware of these things, but what is the benefit of these tricks? I don't know. So I have learned from my boss and today I using these all tricks in my daily routine to increase my productivity. So I want to share these tricks in this video with you all and I want you to learn and enhance your productivity. So let's begin with the first one, organizing email into folder. Currently I'm on my Outlook Classic, and when you check out your navigation section, under your email there are few folders. You can select the inbox, click right mouse button, and you can create a new folder here. So you will see I have to name my folder, so I name it with my own name. Hit enter. Now your new folder is created. What you can do is to simply drag specific email to that folder, and that email will be transferred to your subfolder, I say. And you can use your control key to select multiple emails, and you can simply drag it and drop that emails into that folder. Now, when I click again on my folder, you will see few options here. You can delete all, you can clean up your folder, you can delete your folder, and finally you can delete the entire folder along with all the email addresses. So this is the method I personally use. But what I saw my boss doing is he simply go to the inbox, click on the folder tab, and here there is an option which is new search folder. Simply click on it and there is a dialog box which is new search folder. So there are few criterias here. Reading mail consists of few options: unread mails, mails flagged for follow-up. So what my boss did it, simply select this unread email, select his email address, what his primary email address, and simply hit OK. What this system do is that will automatically create a folder with unread emails. So whenever my boss need to just take a glance what are the new emails he received which are not read, he simply go to this folder and check out those emails. It is very difficult to check out every email and scroll down the one you have not opened yet. And if I go to the new Outlook, which is recently introduced, and I have also created a new folder over here, but there is no such folder tab available here. So all you have to do is to simply drag the email to your folder simply like that, and that email will be moved to your folder. And when I click on that folder, the email will be visible here. This is the method available in new Outlook. Now the second one is my boss is marking few emails as flag and few as category. So what is category? Category allow you to label and color code your items for easy identification. At the same time, if you want to flag your email, you will mark items for follow-up or to indicate their importance. So what my boss did it, when he received an email, he simply select the email and go to the tag section under home tab. When you click on the tags, you will see both the options here. First is category. When I click on this category, you will check out few colors here. So every color is identical and you can relate that color to the specific category to your email. For instance, I select this green color. Category dialog box appears where I can either rename it or I can just leave it as it is. I can also assign a keyboard shortcut for that. So in future, I don't want to repeat this whole process. I simply use this keyboard shortcut and my email will be assigned to that specific category. So just want to clear it. I simply assign Control F2. I don't want to change the name and simply hit yes. So you will see a small color appear in my email. So you can also see here. Similarly, if you want to flag an email, you simply again click on the tags, click on the follow-up, and you can check out these available flags for you. You can flag it today, tomorrow, this week. This means when you flag this email will automatically added in your to-do list. So the system will automatically remind you to act on this email according to the flag you have assigned to it. So I simply assign this today, and you will see this flag is added to my email. You can also use this filter to sort your flag emails as well as your category. When you click on this flag status, you will see my flag email simply jump on the top. So that way you can use this category and flag in Outlook Classic. And when I click on my new Outlook, similarly to that, you can simply select an email. Again, go to the home tab. Under this tags, you will see this category option. You can again assign your email with the specific color or category. And you can also flag your email similarly to Outlook Classic. These are few options help you to filter out your important emails or your emails you want to follow up after some time. Now the third one is color coding conditional formatting. I saw my boss inbox when he receive an email from a specific email address, that email automatically changes its color. That is helpful when you want to respond your email quickly and you don't want to forget to attend that email. So how you can do that? Simply open your Outlook Classic, click on the View tab. On the first section, which is Current View, click on View Settings. You will see Advanced View Setting dialog box appears. Here you have to click on Conditional Formatting. You will see few rules are already by default available, but in my case, I want to add a new one. Now I need to click on the conditions. That will again take me to the filter dialog box. Now here there is an option which is from. I simply used to click on this from button. That will take me to the address book. Here I can select the email address I want to add, or if you don't have that email address added in your address book, you can simply manually type your email address here. So I simply type a random email address abc@gmail.com. Now click OK. Now you have to click on this font. Now here by default, every time when you receive an email, this standard font and size and color is given to your incoming email. But if you want to color code it and you want to change the color, you simply need to click on this drop down, change the color, say I want to change this to green, and simply hit OK. Now again OK, OK. Now whenever you receive the email from that email address, that email will automatically pop up with the same color you have assigned to. Next is scheduling your email. Whenever my boss send an email, that email won't send to the recipient immediately. It will take a specific time. This is because if you have done something wrong by mistaken or you have forgotten something, you can correct that mistake and then send your email. So in Outlook Classic, what you have to do is to simply click on your new email, create your email, say I want to add my email address of my own, add my subject, add my content over here, and click on the options tab over here. And in the more options, you will see there is an option which is delay delivery. Simply click on it. That will open properties dialog box. Now here there is an option which is delivery options. Now what you have to do, you have to simply check this box if it's unchecked, and you have to enter the date when you want to deliver your email. Today is 3rd of March 2024. I don't want to change the date. In case you want to change the date, you can simply change it by clicking on this drop down, and you can also change the timing. Once you make these changes, simply close the box and simply hit send button. Now your mail will be delivered in your outbox, and whenever your time matches, that mail will automatically send from your outbox to the send box. So this is how it works in Outlook Classic. When I open my new Outlook, the same feature work here also. Simply click on the new email, create your email. I type my own email address once again, add the subject, type my content over here, and you will see a small drop down button just beside the send button. Click on it. You have to click on schedule send. That schedule send dialog box appears. You can check out or select the date, time, or you can also set your customized date and time. Once you have done with it, simply hit send button and your mail will be sent at that specific time you have entered. Next option is advanced search. When I personally want to search an email in Outlook, I simply use this top search bar. I simply enter the keyword like HDFC and simply hit enter, and I will get all the results related to this keyword. But what my boss do is he click on this drop down arrow just besides the search bar, which is the function of advanced search. When you click on it, you will see there is few options over here. First, search in, you can select your folder over here. Second option is attachment, you can name it, you can type the keyword of your attachment. Third is category, you can select the category over here. You can specify the email address you are searching for. You can also specify a specific content which is available on the body. You can enter the date you received. You can enter the message you want to search for. You can enter the start date. You can specify the subject. You can specify the email address you have sent to. These are few information you can simply enter and simply hit search. By using this advanced search, my boss can easily grab those emails he was exactly searching for. So similarly, if you are a regular user of New Outlook, you can also use this search bar over here and you will see this option which is advanced filter. When you click on it, you will again check out all these options here. You can fill up the form according to your requirement, according to your search, and simply hit search button. That will help you to find out your exact mail you are searching for. Next is quick steps. I saw my boss, he simply use a single button and just create an email and send to multiple people. So what is quick steps? Quick steps in Outlook are customized keyboard shortcut that allow you to perform multiple actions with a single click. Although quick steps can do it multiple tasks for you, but in this scenario I will show you how I create a new email with quick step and send to my multiple members. So for that, click on the home tab and you will see a quick steps section here. So you have to first click on this expander. Manage quick steps dialog box appear. There are few by default quick steps are already available here, but you have to first click on the new button. From the drop down, you have to first select custom. Now here, I want to create a quick step. So I want to create a quick step that with a single click, I will create an email and that email will be sent to my sales and marketing team. So what I have to do first, name it. So I name urgent mail. This is my name of the quick step. Now add action below that will perform when a quick step is clicked on. So first choose an action. So first when I click on this drop down, you will see multiple actions here. Now here I want to create a new email. So what I will do, I will select new email. So system asks me whom I want to send the email. So I use this to button to open my contact group or contact list. So simply select my contact list here. So this is my contact list and here I will select two teams, which is my office team and my sales team. So I simply select this office team, double click on it. My office team is added here. Now I will again select the sales team, double click on it and the sales team also added here. Now simply hit OK. Now you will see both the email addresses added here. In every group, there are multiple members added. So whenever I use this specific office team or sales team, the email will be sent to every member available in the distribution list. Now here, show options. Click on it. Now here, I have to add the subject. So I simply add urgent mail. I can also add members by clicking on this add CC. I can also add members in add CC, add BCC. Now I can flag my message according to my requirement. I can also prioritize by clicking on the drop down, importance high, normal, low, and I can also create a specific task here. So I simply type, dear all members, please look into the matter on urgent basis. Now there is an option which is automatically send after 1 minute delay. This is the delay delivery option. I can use it if I required. Now further, if I again want to add some actions here, I can use this add action. If don't, just leave as it is. I can also assign a keyboard shortcut for this, because in future if I want to create a new email with the same members and the same message, I can use this keyboard shortcut. Simply hit finish and you will see this quick step urgent mail is added here. Simply hit OK to save it. Now how you can use it: when you open your Outlook, you simply need to click on this urgent mail. Your email is already created, all the members are added, your subject is also added, your content is also added. If you want to add some additional information in this email or you want to attach a file, you can do that and simply hit send button. By doing this, you can very easily use this quick step method, what I have learned from my boss. These are few secrets I have learned from my boss in Outlook. Please share which trick or which secret help you to enhance your work productivity. If you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.